Good morning, nursery babies. This is your English period. So go quickly in your room and get your English notebook. And after finishing our English notebook work, I will teach you a nice game. You must repeat that game every day. And in the end, we will revise the sound of all the letters. By this time, you should know the sounds properly. So, you can watch this video every day to revise the sounds. Okay, get your notebook. I am waiting for you. Babies, now I am going to tell you how you can write B in your notebook. This is letter B. B makes the sound B. B as in book and B as in bird. Can you see a bird on the tree? B, bird. Now open your English notebook and see how I am writing letter B. First of all, start from the red line and make a standing line till the second blue line. And now from the first blue line, make a tummy curve. Easy. Let's do it one more time. See. One standing line and a tummy curve. Let's write it here now. From the red line, make a standing line. And from here, this line, first blue line, make a tummy. Now, you have to do it in your English notebook. Okay, babies. Today we are going to play a game. The name of the game is sequencing of sounds. In this game, I will tell you 3 sounds and you have to watch me carefully, because after that I am going to ask you the first sound, the middle sound, or I can ask you the last sound. So be very careful. Okay, see. D d d d d d d d d d d. G g g g g g g g g. I told you 3 sounds. So the first sound was d d d. The second sound was and the third sound was g g g. D g. Let's repeat. D g. That is dog. D g. So now your turn. That was an example for you. Now you have to tell me. So watch me carefully. So what was the first sound? Correct. What was the last sound? And what was the middle sound? So, becomes cat. Cat. Okay? So, here comes third word. B. B. E. E. G g g g g g g g. So tell me, what was the middle sound? It was E. What was the last sound? G g g g g. What was the first sound? B. B. So let's repeat it. B. E. G. Do it again. B. E. G becomes big. Big. So last word, be very careful. was sound. The sound of letter N. What was the first sound? Woo, like a van. And what was the middle sound? So let's try to sequence the sound. This is called sequencing of sound. So the first sound was B. The middle sound was A. The last sound was N. So it becomes van. Van. Okay, last example. One more example. Okay. So the first sound is another sound is E, and G. So now you tell me what was the middle sound? Middle means the second sound. E. What was the last sound? G. What was the first sound? Let's sequence the sounds. The first sound was P, then E, then G. Let's do it. P, E, G. P, E, G. Do it little faster. P, E, G. E, G. P, E, G. That is word pink. Okay. So you can do it with so many 3-letter words. I will wait for your video, or you can share it with your class teacher. Bye. Hey guys, let's revise the sounds of all the letters of the alphabet. Okay, the first letter is A. A says A, as in ant. B. B says B. B, as in bat. C says like a castanet. D says D, drum. E says A, like an egg. F says like a fish. G says g, like a guitar. H says like a hungry. I says E, like Inky Mouse. J says like jelly. K says fly a kite, like a kite. L says like a lollipop. M says come on, show me your tummy. Like a monkey. N says make a sound of an aeroplane. Nose. O says like on and off. P says p. Come on, show me your candle. Like a pink cake. Q says show me your duck. Quack. And then R says rrr. You can take a cloth and you can rip it like this. Rrr, like a rose. S says like a snake. T says like a tennis. And then U says like umbrella. V says b, like a van. W. W says like a watch. X. X says like, come on, click your camera. Y says like a yogurt. Come on, eat your yogurt. And Z says like a zebra.